The feet of birds tell us where they live and how they hunt for food. Let's take a look at the feet of different birds and how they use it for different purposes. Feet for climbing, feet for swimming, feet for wading, feet for grasping, feet for scratching. We shall look at them one by one. A woodpecker climbs the bark of trees and digs into the barks. It has 4 toes, 2 front toes and 2 back toes. Back toes help them to balance and not topple backwards. This type of foot helps in clinging to an upright tree trunk. Some birds paddle through water. They have 3 front toes that are webbed. These webbed feet help them to swim. Duck, goose, and swan also have webbed feet. Birds like crane, stork, egret, and heron wade through shallow water to find their food. Wading birds typically have long legs. Their feet have 3 long toes pointing forward and 1 toe pointing backward. This type of foot helps the bird from slipping or sinking in the wet mud. Flamingos are also wading birds with webbed feet. They feed on shrimps in water. That's what gives flamingos their color. Some birds have grasping feet. Eagles swoop down on the prey, hold it with their feet, and fly to a safe place to enjoy a quiet meal. The feet of predator birds have strong and sharp hook-like claws called talons. Kite, eagle, falcon, hawk, and vulture are predator birds having powerful legs with talons. Some birds find food by scratching. Chickens scratch the mud with their feet to find their meal, usually insects. They have 4 toes and strong nails for digging into the ground. Turkey, pheasant, and chicken have scratching feet. That's quite a variety and a lot to remember.